Hey guys, it's JetRex113 here, and today I'm doing a Fortnite Let's Play. But it's not me that's playing today, it's my cousin.
Which I've never played on computer before.
Yeah, so if you guys saw my last video on Fortnite, I was really bad. Because that was my first time on computer as well. I was getting used to the controls and everything. But I decided, hey, why not my first match be on YouTube with you guys? So yeah, my cousin's gonna do one video on this. There's gonna be a lot more videos on this coming soon.
I would have the battle pass and stuff.
Yeah, he would have the battle pass. Don't do Blitz. Blitz is hard.
I know what Blitz is. I need to figure out how to hook up my... Wait, I think I remember the way to hook up my Xbox account. We'll do it after a match, though.
Okay. Or you can just pause it.
Nah, we'll do it after my first match. Because I still want to warm up, like get a new account ready. Warm up, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you did.
Should we pause the video?
Yeah, while we wait, we're going to pause the video.
Okay, we're back. My cousin, he just dabbed. Dad, please come to my house.
I remembered how to get your Xbox account hooked up, though. Oh. By the way.
Okay, guys, and...
So...
just to let you know, I am... him and me...
man stole my thing.
Him and me are gonna do some videos on Twitch, I believe, but I think that's gonna be late.
Let's go for...
Right, Jordan? I think that's gonna be late when we do... Oh, that's nothing weird. Your name's ShadowRe102. He always messes up his name. On the Xbox, he did ShadowRe.
I had to do that because if I didn't, it wouldn't allow me to do it. I don't even have my rainbow glider or anything. Oh.
No.
I believe I can fly. I believe.
Okay.
Hashtag win first game.
Yeah, maybe. Doubt it.
I know.
Yeah, those are how to switch. WASD is normal. E to pick up and to do everything else. And...
these guys better stop.
Ooh, attack. First gun is attack. Nice. Get those other ammo. Oh, you did.
Dude, the graphics on those fences have not loaded in. Because everything's so laggy. And maybe it's just loaded.
Oh yeah, guys. Also, I wanted to let you know, I now have my computer in my room, so there won't be a lot of noise anymore. Crouch? I don't know. Leave in the comments down below how you crouch on computer. That would be really useful. But yeah, I completely forgot. Oh yeah, I got my computer moved to my room now, so you won't hear as much noise. There could be like some small noise if anybody comes in. But yeah, there's not going to be as much noise. Ooh, chest. Get the grenades. Shield. Assaults. Somebody's above you, I believe. I hear them.
I can't hear them, so you're not telling me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God.
I heard somebody walking above.
I can figure out how to crouch. Up here?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I heard them up there. Check the roofs for traps. Oh, metal. Nice. Oh, yeah, and I'm pretty sure that you do start with wood in this. I don't know if that was a thing back. Revolver, not the best. Dang. You want me to put the headset on you for now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, it's going to him.
Hello. Oh, he's coming.
Switch to your attack.
No. Pump's better.
Well, it just takes longer to reload.
Oh, God. Oh, I know how to crouch. Control.
How do you crouch?
Control. Control.
Oh, okay, that's good. Use your shield person.
Hashtag first kill. Hashtag first kill. Oh.
37 still. 37.
Okay, you guys, I think we're going to pause the video and I'm going to log into my one account. And then I might be better because I'll be used to all my... Okay, you guys, we are back.
Hey guys, wait. In Fortnite story mode, instead of first starting America, you started America. America, yeah. You started from America in Fortnite, then you go to Fortingia? Yeah.
I don't know.
Fortingia.
That's not even close. Well, we figured out how to get me to sign in.
Yeah, if this doesn't work...
Whoa, that's loud!
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
yeah. He also has a really cool skin that he gets from Battle Pass.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby, it's a triple!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, what's at the item shop? I could get this.
Oh, yeah, I've seen people have that, too.
It's really good. Jubilation. Oh.
You're gonna save up your money for that one.
I can get this.
Yeah, get it.
Why?
It's so much better than your other dance. Just equip that.
Well,
now.
let's equip it.
That's so weird.
Hayaka, 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 ho!
You know something about Fortnite, guys? They come up with the weirdest stuff today. Just like Pokemon.
Hello?
Pokemon.
Can you hear me?
Pokemon ran out of ideas. You're on video.
Oh my god, it swapped it.
Hey, remember? We're on video. Guys, if you... Oh, yeah, are you not playing this?
Okay, I'm gonna do solo. I'm just testing out the controls and stuff. Dude, that's crazy. You can crossplay. Look, this is how far on the thing if you wanted to know how far I am.
Yeah, guys, I don't think you can get this far on Battle Pass.
Dude, my goal is to get all the way up here.
He
But-
wants the Reaper.
No, I want this guy, the Dark Voyager. Jubilation, jubilation, jubilation.
So, ow!
You guys like my unicorn? Hashtag unicorns for life.
Guys, we still have 8 more minutes of the... I just said minute. I said
Whoa!
minutes.
Did you see the graphics?
I said minutes. I don't know why.
Did
We
anyone?
still have 8 more minutes.
Why does the graphics look so terrible on computer?
I always like to find out.
Jubilation, jubilation, jubilation.
Go to Grassy.
Greasy. We're going to
If
Greasy.
only Wailing Woods was in the circle. Dude, guys, I don't know if I told you this on my last video on Fortnite, but when I was playing with my cousin on Xbox, one of the first things I got, my first weapon was a legendary scar, and then I also got like.
You guys, we're gonna have some competition.
Oh, there's a gun there.
There's guns everywhere, Logan.
Yeah.
Hey, there's a gun there. No, really?
Hey guys, you want to go find some weapons?
Hey, that's a blue weapon. Ain't nobody touched that. That's a mine. Ooh, that's a very much mine.
Jordan, why do you have this your attack? You're gonna make me look bad now. Guys,
I always make you look bad.
you're my fan, right?
Oof, oof,
You
oof,
make me bad,
oof,
right?
oof,
You're my
oof,
fan.
oof. You better stop. 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 See that sign? It says stop. It says stop. Stop.
Guys, okay.
Report player. Ah. Wait, can you use the Xbox controller? You probably can. EBOLA.
Okay, guys, I think we have enough time for about one more match. Then we're going
Whew.
to end that video.
Oh, I need 100 more. If I rank up one more time, I could get this.
Guys, also to let you know, him and me are going to be doing some story mode on this channel.
I could do story mode right now.
And also,
Actually, if you were to get it on your dad's computer, we could play computer to computer right now. That'd be cool.
hey guys, also I wanted to let you know something quickly. So yeah, I don't do a lot of vlogs on this channel. I'm going to start doing more of those. But yeah, I think I want to make a vlog, but in that vlog I'm not going to be outside or anything. I'm mostly going to be in my room, but I'm going to spend some time with my bunny. Like that'll be a vlog about him and my bunny, me and my bunny. I can I'll show you my bunny and everything. I'll tell you his name.
Me wants it. Come back. Give me it. I'll steal your pot of gold.
Jordan, would that be a good idea for a video tomorrow, a vlog with Fluffy?
I guess, yeah.
My bunny Fluffy has a big net and a lot of attention.
Let's
Go
go salty.
So I have two bunnies. I think tomorrow I'll do a vlog on both of them. Like
Mr. Dipplesworth.
But I want to do Fluffy first since Fluffy doesn't get a lot of attention.
Yeah, barely at all. Look at all the toys he's got. None.
Yeah, Fluffy's gonna come out first. We could do him tonight, but
Well, I'm actually gonna go to retail.
tonight it's only gonna be about like live streams on Twitch. So
Oh, who let the dogs out? Woo! Woo!
so guys,
Who let the dogs out?
guys, also I wanna let you know if you are watching this video like a few minutes before it's uploaded or a few hours, go check out Twitch. I'm gonna be doing some live streams with him, but that's gonna be like an hour or two after this. We're gonna do a few Twitch streams, and if you do miss those,
That's not fair. There was a Black Knight. I think we're gonna end the video here.
yeah.
Okay.
Guys, if you do miss. So if you couldn't hear me, I said I was going to do some Twitch live streams, but that's tonight. So you'd have to watch this video tonight, like the day it was uploaded. But that will be like an hour after this. So wait. Yeah. And if you don't see those videos on Twitch, that's fine. I'll be uploading them to my channel. You can watch them. If I ever record a video that I think will be interesting for you guys, then yeah. I want to make videos to entertain you. So, yeah. I want to entertain people, and that was basically why I started YouTube, is to entertain people and also to do what I love and show other people. So, just to let you know, that's why I started YouTube.
No, he didn't start the Ebola.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You just want it for the money. You just want to do it for the money. Oh, he's sad.
No.
He just wants to do it for the money.
I want to entertain people. I wanted to entertain people, so yeah.
He's only doing it for the money.
This is why I have a channel. I like to entertain you guys, and I just wanted to let you know that.
What, guys? There's like nobody here. Oh.
People on my channel.
Oof. You mean your friends at school? Oof.
We'll be right back.
Oof. We're stopping the video.
No. But yeah, guys, I did do this to show you, I did this to entertain people, so yeah, I just wanted to let you know, that's why I'm on YouTube, and then I also am going to do Twitch live streams, so yeah, make sure to see me on those. Bye!
Ebola.